right? Yes. And you sing so well. Who is your music inspiration? Yes, and you have such a great career ahead of you. And now, ako napapasabak tayo ng English. Wala naman ako Tagalog, di ba? Tagalog na lang ako. Oo. So, Jaren, I want you to stay here with me first on stage and give a chance para makaakyat din yung mga pre-selected ng mga contestants namin for the next segment. This segment is brought to us by BNY. Ganon daw. Gumanon ka daw, Jaren. Sorry na lang, ako yung ka-heart niya. Ay, alam ko gagawin nila. Kapag share nila yung post, yung mukha ko, papalitan nila ng mukha nila. Para kunwari sila yung tagaganon. Okay, Jaren, stay here over on this side, please. And I'd like to bring up our 5 contestants! Okay, hintayin lang natin, ha? Okay, sige po, pwede kayo umakyat from there. Pag
and for this, thank you so much to my BNY family. Happy Valentine's Day from me and my BNY family.
yes, sa BNY family, Jaren, salamat sa mga tulong yung Jaren, please stay over on that side. Let me just check the contestants. Are you ready? Get the ball! Dito lang tayo, dito. Ayan, tabihan niyo ako. Okay, stay here. Stay there. Okay. Linya, one line. Okay. I'm waiting. Pipilan niyo yung sarili niyo, ha? Okay. Before we begin, say your name and then you say the mantra. Bawat fandom kung ano yung lagi yung sinasabi sa kanya or slogan ng fandom. Okay, go! Pakalan! Bye! Sana naiintindihan ko. Sabihin mo na malumanay. Okay, got it. Thank you!
JB, ating ang Jaren Seren!
Ako hindi niya alam. Magtatanong siya as a friend. Okay, ikaw muna?
Jaren Seren! One dream, one love! Erika, Ikate! Stay matibay kayo na!
Energy natin, ha?
Once Katoni Jaren! And then ang mga representing Team Solid Jaren and Jaren Tuners.
Sorry, Jaren and Jaren Tuners. Alam niyo po ba? First of all, I want you to shake each other's hands. Shake each other's hands. You know why? Sometimes they feel like they're in competition with each other in showing how much they love you. Diba? Pero guys, tulong-tulong tayo na mapalawak ang fandom ng Jaren. So it's not a competition, it's just networking and having fun. Yung nga lang competition to ngayon kasi maglalaro tayo. We're gonna do a trivia game, Jaren. I'm gonna explain. Okay, makinig. The mechanics of this game is I'm gonna ask a trivia question. Malamang alam nyo doon, napakadali. Oh, Jaren, of course. Now, the first contestant to get the 2 points will get the gift back from BNY. But don't worry, tatlo yung gift pack namin. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung sagot nyo. Pag nakadalawa na, may gift pack na, pwede na umupo.
Are you guys ready? You know the facts about me?
They know! This will be so easy for them. Pero meron akong kailangan. Pwede ba ako humingi ng balloon? Or yan. Pwede ko gawin yan? Okay. Ilalagay ko yung balloon. Naku, baka malaglag kayo dito. Baka may madapa. Where should I put this? Can I have a malaglag? O sige. Ay, nako. Wag. Madudumog si Jaren. Wag. Okay, I'll just put it in the middle. The